Welcome to SEDA Dart League tutorial. Based on our score sheet, the first game is 301 double and double out. Set up the game using the arrow, the green and the red buttons. Select 2 players for singles. Start the game. But don't throw your dart first because we need to set up the double in and the double out. Now press the green button. Use the arrow button to highlight, then red button for selection. Now press the green button to return to game and start playing. Okay, let's fast forward. When the game is done, record the PPD stats to your score sheet. Let's play partners random cricket because this machine doesn't have the crazy cricket. For partners, always select doubles B to separate the stats of each player. Let's fast forward to finish the game so I can show you how to record the stats to your score sheet. Record the MPR to your score sheet, W for the player that hit the winning shot and A for the partner. If you have not done writing to your score sheet and the stats is no longer on screen, press the middle bowl to display the stats screen again. Let's play partners 501 double and double out. Again, select doubles B for partners game. Press the red button to start. But don't start yet. Press the green button for the double in double out option. Now press the green button to return to game. Don't do like this on the game. I just want to finish fast so that I can show you how to record the stats. Now record the PPD for each player to your score sheet. If you have not done writing to your score sheet and the stats is no longer on screen, press the middle bowl to display the stats screen again. Record the MPR for this singles cricket. Partners half it. Select 2 players only since we don't need to record the stats. Put L to loser team and W to winning the partners. Have fun playing SEDA Bud Light Dart League and thanks for watching.